So while this guidance fin is drying, I'm going to work on the nose cone. And there are several ways to make a cone of paper. You have an option of coloring the nose cone or not. If you want the nose cone colored, I recommend coloring just half of the piece of paper. Be careful, it does look very similar in size to the index card stock of paper, but it isn't. This is just regular thin computer paper. And so if you're right-handed, I would normally color the right-hand half. If you're left-handed, color the left-hand half. So I'll just say that I'm going to work right-handed today. So with a colored pencil, and it has to be colored pencil, you would color it. You would do a much better job than that. That's just indicating that I have color on one side. I'm going to turn the paper over, and right behind what I've colored, again, I'm going to put glue. Again, a zigzag pattern, not very much. Spread it out thin. It's covering about half the sheet of paper, a little bit more. I'm spreading to the outside corners. Again, you know when it's thin enough, if it sticks to your finger. With your finger slightly in from the corner, pick up the opposite end, form a narrow triangle. Okay, so I'm not picking the paper up high, I'm picking it off more to the side to form a triangle. Don't crease this, but instead take your hand and with your finger down here at this end where the nose tip is, or where it will become, just roll the paper around. Okay, so this is going to form kind of a cone of paper. Okay, as you're moving along, you want to carefully push down lightly to make sure that you're getting good paper contact to paper contact. Again, this edge is dried because I have it so thin. Put a little bit of glue on it, wipe it down, and then seal that edge. Okay? Now this cone, again, this part isn't completely done at this point. This is really long today. I think I may redo this one. The main thing is when it's put inside or inserted inside the rocket body, you'll know if it's the wrong size. You need to cut this off about the thickness of a pencil higher than where it fits tight. Okay? Don't cut it off even. And it's, again, we want to let this dry overnight or a good half of a class period before you start working with this, because it's wet. It hasn't dried. It wants to be firm. Okay? So I'm going to go and move on back to the guidance fin paper. The guidance